Welcome to the Amherst course on Economic Growth and Development. We are thrilled to have you join us. This course is tailored to give both undergraduates and postgraduates a deep understanding of key concepts in growth and development. My name is Devraj Patel, Faculty of Economics and Development Studies at the Amherst, with campuses in Prayagraj and Bengaluru. Economic growth and development are terms widely used today, but often misunderstood. Through this course, we'll uncover the core theories and explore the global debates surrounding these concepts. The course is spread over 30 lectures, delivered in 11 weeks. In the first 10 lectures, we will focus on economic growth, covering major models like the Harry-Domar model, Solow growth model, and Schumpeter's analysis of economic growth. We'll also dive into growth versus development controversies and discuss inclusive growth. After the first part, the next 10 lectures will focus on economic development. You'll gain insight into human development indices such as the Human Development Index, HDI, the Gender Development Index, GDI, and the Multidimensional Poverty Index, MPI. We'll also cover key development theories like the basic needs approach and the capabilities approach. To add more depth, we have 4 special lectures planned: the Global North and Global South, Why the Divide, Growth-led and public support-led strategies of development, from MDGs to SDGs, evolution of the UN Development Goals, mainstreaming gender in economic development. These lectures will help contextualize contemporary global issues and provide you with a holistic understanding of growth and development. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped to engage with the latest economic debates and apply growth and development models to real-world scenarios. Thank you for enrolling in the Amherst course. I look forward to our journey together. Let's get started.